How do people traditionally learn new complicated topics? Whether it's a new piece of software or a new process for doing something, people most often learn by either taking training or by teaching themselves. Training is usually an efficient way of learning something, but it is often expensive and requires a significant, dedicated time commitment. And the challenge with training comes when the training is over and the student is left on their own to implement what they have learned. Not to mention the challenge of mastering the subject. With teaching yourself, it's usually less expensive and can be done at a person's own pace, but it is very inefficient and prone to failure. Coached has developed a process which goes beyond training. Leveraging tools designed to help large industrial enterprises operate, Coached has automated the coaching process. Coached proactively engages students in short, concentrated training sessions. These sessions are designed to provide the content of what needs to be learned and includes both self-study and multimedia interaction. Most importantly to BeyondTraining are our principles of reinforce while fresh and coached implementation. Reinforce while fresh takes what a student has learned in a session and works to make the content stick. This involves reviewing the key points of the training, developing a mental model to help retention, and refreshing these points within the 24 to 48 hours after the training session. Coach does this by leveraging a client's current instant messaging or text messaging system. Coached implementation goes beyond the immediate training session and focuses on making sure that what is trained is implemented and practiced. We do this by conducting an audit at the end of the training and then automatically developing an implementation routine. This routine focuses on pushing practice of the training over the next 3 to 6 months. Coach doesn't leave the student to implement what they learned on their own because it's true what they say, practice makes perfect. Using our real-time coaching engine and the principles of our training philosophy, Coached brings to training a game-changing approach that focuses on making the training stick and fostering mastery. Learn more about our training philosophy called Directed Discipline and the principle of reinforce while fresh and coached implementation on our BeyondTraining webpage.